What's up, YouTube? TBSS world, LS world, Gearhead world, everybody. It is time to lower Big Booty Judy. Got to be lowered.
Can't touch this.
Hey, come on, man, really? MC Hammer.
Hey, that's just what came out.
So we getting to lower everything with Tony, 31.5 bell tech, drop kit. Mr. Ross C. James, end links, adjustable end links. Man, this is pretty nice. This couldn't happen without my buddy Shay Panther. Did a group buy on these, and he looked out for everybody. So shout out to him and everybody in the TBSS Society. Awesome group. And I'm ready, man. It's going to be a journey. It's going to be a journey. This is going to be badass, man. I'm pretty stoked about this. Early in the morning, man. We got so much work to do. Hard work. Hard work. Oh yeah, so I'm getting ready to add my sloppy seconds catch can. It came off a awesome, nasty, gnarly TBSS Chris Garrard off his Pro Charge setup, which is I'm going with a Pro Charge setup soon. So I'm getting ready to do the sloppy seconds Pro Charge build on her, and silicone coolant hoses by Mr. Brown, and it's gonna be pretty nasty, man. It's gonna look good. It's gonna look good. So everything's gonna be nice with that. So I appreciate it. Shout out to Glenn Brown. Appreciate it, brother. These are nice. These are going in today. And I got something very custom about to be added onto the Blazer. So it is going to go over here in this area. And I mean, it's going to be custom. So it's going to be nice. So I'm not going to tell you guys. You got to stay tuned and wait till everything is finished today. Everything.